About this competition, it is an MHRD initiative that has been done. The name of the competition is proof of concept validation, right? It comes under Institution Innovation Council's initiative, which has been done. This competition is a part of quarter two of Innovation Council activity, and in this competition, all the students are encouraged to participate, to identify and to encounter the problems of the society and the market industry. This competition will also be aimed to make ready all the students for national level PoC, that is proof of concept contest, which will be conducted by IIC.